hot. Mmm. Hey. Woo. That's good. That's good. Hey YouTube. So today we're back with another video. We not stopping, baby. We gonna keep going. Today I'm gonna make some cilantro chicken over white rice. We gonna cook some cilantro chicken over white rice. We're gonna get some cilantro paste. I never tried this. This is gonna be my first time having this. So we're gonna try some cilantro paste, an onion, and a lemon. And we're gonna try to make some cilantro chicken over white rice. First, you get the boneless chicken, tender loins, whatever, tenderloins. I take out the muscle or the vein or whatever you want to call it. I am lazy when it comes to dishes though. That's why I use paper plates. So yeah, don't ask me why I use paper plates. That's why I use paper plates. Who likes washing dishes? Please tell me. So first, what you do is you look for the white stuff on the chicken, slimy stuff. Peel that out. Then I don't know if you know this, but you take your fork and you put it two of those things, you put it right here, and you pull down like so. Pull down like so. And it comes right out, and then the chicken is nice and tender, way easier. That's how you do that right there. We doing all-purpose stuff on this channel. Like, you might get a little bit of everything. You're going to get vlogs. You might get a toy review. You're going to get my son. You're going to get pranks. Like, we're doing everything. Like, this going to be a TV show. And my life is a movie. For real. So everything is a movie. You know what I'm saying? I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that like button for me. You know, leave a little comment. Let me know if you tried the recipe. That's what I want to know. Once we finish with it, I need y'all to let me know who actually tried it and how did it come out. So, quick meal under 40. I already had the rice, so I ain't have to buy more rice. But once you take all of these things out, I got 2 packs. So I don't season my chicken until I take all of these out. Alright, this is how you do it. Put it right here and watch it come down like so. Boom, like so. Alright. So we gonna be back, y'all, because I gotta pause it and check to see how it's looking, because yesterday I made a video on my head wasn't in it. So I'll be right back. Shirt inside out because it had a bad word on it. We got kids watching this channel. Can't have bad words on our shirts. You know what I'm saying? Always. I love the kids. I want them to learn how to cook too. Can't have bad words on your shirt. That's the thing. We promoting independence, baby. We're gonna be back again, still washing and cleaning this chicken. That pack was expensive because they put a lot of chicken in there. No, that piece. Let me a piece. I like the smell of that piece. Or the feel. It feels slimy, it throw me off. I ain't gonna lie. That be happening to y'all too? When you cleaning chicken and might feel a little slimy, you just skip that piece. It's alright. If you got kids, you understand. You understand. You feel me, brother. Love my son to death. Sometimes, ain't no but sometimes. I love him to death no matter what. So I got this from Publix. Again, we in Southwest Florida. So we got a Publix and they got this type of seasoning there. I love this seasoning. It's Himalayan pink salt with black pepper and garlic. It's gluten free. It's an all-purpose seasoning. You can use this pretty much for anything you got. Okay, use some of that right there. Don't be afraid to get in there too. You got your gloves. You can put your gloves on. We know some of y'all scared to get in there, and you gotta put gloves on. I gets in there, baby. You don't need no gloves. Get in there. Good with that chicken right there, okay? Open that with one hand because you don't want no cross-contamination going on. Or keep your water running so you can just rinse your hand off before you open your next seasoning. Put a little of that on there, okay? Another thing that I use a lot that I like is white pepper. I like white pepper. My girlfriend put me up on that white pepper. I love that white pepper though. Very smooth. Now we did that. Your chicken should be looking like this. It should be looking like that. Okay. So we only need 1 tablespoon of this. You don't want to put too much because it's strong. So just squeeze a little bit out. Boom. Okay, not too much. And the cilantro paste, gotta keep that cold. Right here, that's how much we use, not too much. I got a nice big frying pan so I can fry everything at once. It's right here. I don't know the name of this pan. If I did, I would tell you guys, but yeah. Yeah, that smells good, guys. And we add that onion and that minced garlic. Oh man, yeah. Might be kind of loud, guys. I'm sorry, but we gotta start making it right too. All right, so that's what the chicken is looking like right now. This is what the chicken is looking like. Got the onions in there. You can see the minced garlic. Got the minced garlic in there right there. Hey, I'm chefing up. I'm not playing. Got my son right here. Look at him. He cool. Say hey, Dada. Say hey, Dada. Hey, he's saying hi to y'all, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe for him. He's saying hi. Hey, that's my baby. Alright, guys. I'll be back as soon as the chicken is almost done. Okay, guys. The chicken is now looking like this. It's been about 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes. The chicken is looking like this. I sliced the lemon in half. And now, what we're going to do is, we're going to squeeze that lemon in there. Squeeze it. We're going to squeeze it. You got to make sure we get all the juice out of there because we're only using 1 lemon. I know it might not sound like a lot, but the lemon taste be strong. You know what I mean? Like for real. Sometimes 1 lemon, you be like, dang, that thing's strong. Yeah, man. You see the gravy though for the rice. It's coming together. And then you turn your fire back down so you slow cook it, make more gravy. Uh-oh, we dropped the lemon. Alright guys, so that's it for now. We add the lemon, got the rice cooking up, and I'll be back to you guys when it's almost done. Okay guys, this is the finished product of the blooper. Okay guys, hey YouTube, we back. The food is done. This is the finishing product. Yes, I used the paper plate. I'm hungry right now, so at this moment I don't really care about presentation, but I do care about taste. And I'm gonna dig in and let's see how it tastes. First bite. White rice looks good. Let's see. It's hot. Mmm. Woo! That's good. That's good. I'm telling y'all. Woo! Gotta look. Try this at home. That's good. I'm talking about like, babe, come try it. You don't gotta be on camera. Just try it from behind. Tell the people how it tastes.
Oh wow, that tastes good. Ooh.
You didn't even taste it.